Hey, today I'm going to show you some simple hacks you need to know when operating Android Studio. So after one has finished installing and setting up the Android Studio environment, one opens up a new project. And today I'll take you along and show you how to set up the environment to avoid errors. Select Start New Project. Then you can say an empty activity. Then here you can rename it. Maybe I want a candy app. The package name you can change. So this is basically the package name. You can see it's facing like on vice versa. So it can be candyapp.candy.com. Maybe if it's a school, maybe we say brayburn.mentorschools.org. Yeah. So it's basically a package name. It makes your work to be unique. Then here it shows where your file will be stored. You can see mine will be on my desktop. Then the language to use, you can either use Kotlin or Java. So we'll start with Java, and finally the API level that you want. So if you want to check the distribution on how to choose which API level that is fit for your application, you can see Android Studio has helped you in knowing which API level that you can use. You can keep on checking that chart. So as we'll take marshmallow. Then we say finish. So it may take a while, especially those who are starting up the project for the first time. The build has finally finished. So as a beginner, one may tend to worry when in an Android Studio throws such an error. So if you're building it for the first time, this is normal. So as you can see, it's saying could not solve all dependencies configuration. So what if you meet such an error, what's the first thing that you should do? Go to your topmost left corner and click. Then you go to settings. Then on settings you scroll where there is general, then auto import. Then you check this to add unambiguous imports on the fly and optimize imports on the fly. Then you say okay. Then last you come and check your project structure. As you can see, mine it's 4.00 and 6.11. If you want to get a guideline on how to select your Android Gradle plugin version in Gradle version, I'll leave the link in the description. So you go and search developerandroid.com/studio releases Gradle plugin. Then you scroll. You can read this documentation. The following table lists which version of Gradle is required for each version of Android Gradle plugin. For the best performance, you should use the latest possible version for both Gradle and the plugin. So you can see the plugin version, the latest is 4.1.0 and 6.5. For the required Gradle version, it's 6.5 and above. So mine, I had built it with 4.0, 0 and 6.11. So if you're having trouble in building your project, you should come to this and check your project structure. So I'll say okay, and you should build it when you're online so that the project can be set up successfully. So maybe let's set up with the one which is latest 4.11. Okay, 4.10 and 6.5. And 6.5. After building it online, it will download all the configuration. So the second time you boot up your Android Studio, won't require it to be online. You can now start coding. So I'll just click OK and it will start.